And he breathes the name of his latest flame. And he breathes the name of his latest flame. That's a very poor rendition of Elvis Presley. Anyhow, welcome back to the Man Cave, and some more fun stuff going on here. I do like to do techie things, and one of my hobbies is videography and the like. And what I have here, I want to unbox it and share some comments while I unbox it with the channel. This is the GoPro 12. Ooh, repeat after me. Ooh, the brand new one. And I ordered it with the Max Lens Mod Mark II. So, hey, just for fun, let's get to the opening of it. And by the way, the weather report, we always do that, don't we, on this channel? After, of course, I say, welcome to the Man Cave here at Wistful Vistas in beautiful suburban San Diego, California. And today it is indeed a beautiful day. We had some kind of chilly and misty, rainy weather over the weekend. But of course, the first work day, when everybody goes to work, except for yours truly, the retired old guy, it's about 78 degrees out there, sunny and just beautiful. So want to get back out on the bike here soon. But let's get to the unboxing and check out this GoPro 12. What do you say? Follow along. So I thought I'd get a little fancy when I did this and use two cameras and cut back and forth. But hey, I think in the interest of getting it done, I'm going to go the quick way here. By the way, you note I have my GoPro hat on. And just open it up and let's see what you get. First of all, let's talk about the Max Lens Mod 2.0. So I got that along with the GoPro. And by the way, I did purchase this on my own. And because I do use their service, their quick service, here's the Max Lens Mod Mark II. Now it's supposed to have increased capabilities in stabilization and quality. You get a cleaning cloth with that, by the way. The old one, the Mark I, worked pretty well. Let's open this up. Comes wrapped in a plain brown wrapper. Let's open it up. Take it out. GoPro 12. I'm kind of excited about that. Now, it's got a tear-off tab at the bottom. No big deal there. By the way, just for general info, I keep these tabs on the bottom because it comes with the product serial number, and in case there are any claims that you want to make, it's handy to have these. So later on, I'll snip that off. Okay, continuing the opening here, and we will empty box, IR for you. Let's put that over here. And we have this packaged container. Now in the past, GoPro has sent out the new cameras with a little zip container. Where can we put this where you can see it the most easily? How about if I put it like this? This iteration, they have not done that. And quite honestly, I've already got 3 or 4 of them, so I really don't need one. They are available on their site. But for a new user, I wonder if they wouldn't give that as an option in their bundling. I think that'd be a good idea. We have some literature, and it says, as always with GoPro, your camera must be updated before you start. Can be a relatively easy process. There has been some controversy in the past and some difficulties with firing up the first cameras and getting those firmware updates downloaded. Subscribe to GoPro for the best experience. I've already done that. Pro tips, thank you. We have the USB-C charging cable. We have the battery here. Now, kind of interesting, the batteries on these Yeah, what a pair of hands, huh? The batteries on these new ones are the new extended life batteries, and they enable the use of the feature set that comes with the 12, which is quite nice. And as is typical for a long time with GoPro, they include a curved mount, a shock absorbing clevis, and a thumb screw to mount your camera up, which is pretty nice. And here is the camera itself. It comes with protection on the lens, both front and back. And it also says your camera must be updated before you can use it. How nice of them. So I'm going to take that off very carefully, and I'm going to take, oops, no I'm not. That is not going to come off easily. So this one's going to take a couple of peels to get at, and I'm going to take this off very carefully. And so here we go. Got the wrapping off of the GoPro 12. It says nice GoPro 12 in letters there. I hope that picks up in the autofocus. It's nice looking. It still has that rubber coating around it. There's little flecks of blue in there. Let's see how close can I get that. Perhaps you can see that? Yeah, there it goes. Not unpleasant looking. I wonder if that signifies anything, or perhaps GoPro tries to be environmentally conscious, so maybe that's a recycled or something like that. Here's my GoPro 11, and holding the two together, you can feel that this coating that goes around the hard core feels about the same in a tactile sense, or a shore hardness, as the two. The dimensions are identical. The older on-off button on the 11 had a red ring around it. The newer on-off button does not have a red ring around it. Don't know what that means. It's got a little ring that's built into the mold. Let's see if we can capture that for you all there. I guess that might help you feel it. Everything else, so far as I can see, dimensionally, is all just about exactly the same. So the major exception, of course, is that threaded tripod connector there, which I think is a brilliant piece of engineering. Thanks a lot, GoPro. I think that's pretty cool. There it is. It's out of the box. I'm going to upgrade the firmware on it, and we'll go out and give it some, have some fun with it. We'll try and get on the bike, e-bike, and the motorcycle, and have a little fun checking it out. But I thought you might want to go along that voyage with me. Just a very quick little unboxing and taking a look at the new product. Hey, thank you all. Talk to you later. GoPro 11, GoPro 12.